Good morning, first grade families. We're going to try something new today that will hopefully make the rest of our week easier. We're going to log into Teams using Office 365, and you just need to do this once on a specific device. This way, teachers will be able to call students to specific meetings from the main classroom meeting. So you're going to start on the Syracuse City School District webpage, okay? And use the library button. Once you've clicked the library button, you will come into Office 365 on the left-hand side and click. Students will have to sign in, and this sign in is a little bit different because you'll use your username, but you need to include the @scsd.us. So once you've entered the username, including @scsd.us, you'll click the next button. After you click the next button, you will have to enter your password. Good morning, first grade families. We are trying something this morning that will hopefully make our week easier when logging into Teams. Today we're going to try using Office 365. And we should only need to do this once for each specific device. Afterwards, students can still use Seesaw to sign on. This way, students are no longer a guest, but they're actually part of the Teams program. Teachers will be able to call students from specific meetings from the main classroom meeting. In order to do this, you're going to go to the Syracuse City School District webpage and click Library. It will bring you to this page where you will click Office 365. Usually we click Clever, but we want to click Office 365 today. And you'll be prompted to sign in. Students will use their usual username, but this time they have to include @scsd.us and then click Next. So their username plus @scsd.us. That will bring them to the next page where they're going to enter their password and click Sign In. Once they've signed in, you'll be on the Office 365 page. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see the Teams icon, and you'll click on that. You might be prompted to enter the student's password again, and then click Sign In. If you have the Microsoft Teams app downloaded, awesome. If not, go ahead and click Get the Windows app so that you can download that to your device. Once you're on Teams, you will see our first grade classroom team, and there should be a spot where you click Join. Because the meeting is not in progress when I'm making this, I don't see the Join button, but we'll have the meeting up and running at 8 o'clock so that you can click that button. If for some reason you don't see that button, you've already gone through the steps to log into Teams through Office 365, so then just head back to Seesaw and sign in like you normally do. And that should make the student no longer a guest. If you have any questions, we'll be on Teams, or give us a call or text us.